this section, we are going to make some changes for the scene that we have around. So as this is too simple and we probably want to present our beautiful meta-human in a greatest uh, environment, in the greatest environment. So I will go now back after I open my project. I go back to Epic. In Epic, let's click Marketplace. And in Marketplace, I will select free and permanently free collection. These are all assets that will stay forever free. So you have access to these ones as well. So you can check that there are many of them that are scenarios that you can literally put on your scene and then add your character. In my case, I wish to find something like a city style environment, and I think I have the one, which is this one, Downtown West Modular Pack of pure polygons. Now you can also find this by its name and put it here on the search tag. In my case, I'm going to select this one. And on the right, you will see to which platforms of Unreal this is available. As we are using the 5.2, this is perfect for us. Now I am going to add to project. And from all the projects that I have related to 5.2, I am going to select this one, which is MetaHuman Demo. Add to project. And now we have to wait a bit for the downloading of this package. I'll go back when this process is finished. Once the package is downloaded, I'll go back to my Unreal project. Here is the scene where we've been working, but now I have a new folder inside the content browser. And this folder is the Downtown West. Depending on the asset that you downloaded, different folders will be presented here. Once you know the folders that you are currently working on, you can define, this is, or you can identify which is the one related to the project that you, to the asset that you downloaded. So I go inside this Downtown West, and usually for these kind of assets, you will have another folder called Maps. In Maps, you have two different folders as well. One of them is to showcase the different assets that you have in case that you want to create your own design, your own level design. But in this case, I am going to open the demo environment level. So I'm going to double click. And you just have to wait for the environment to load. Probably it's going to take some time for you the first time because they have to bake a lot of information. But the next one is going to be easier or faster. For this screen, I'm just going to click here, clear, close this. And here I have the new environment, the new level that I am going to work with. Let me magnify this. And as we set our character to be the default character for this project, when I play and get into the scene, I will see my character immediately on it. So I think this is a fantastic thing because now you can test your character in a real environment style and you can see the details related to the ones that you are creating. Let's run our project again. And let's say that for the goal that you have for your project, you feel like the camera is a bit far away from the character. And I want to have this camera a bit closer. I want to teach you how to do that. So inside the content browser, we'll go to, let me close this Downtown West, and we'll go to the third person blueprints. So the blueprints that we've been working with. In the blueprints, you will find this element which is called the camera boom. And in the camera boom, you will have an element that is called the target arm length. The target arm is represented by this line, this red line that you see here. Right now is 400, which is exactly 4 meters from this point. Now let's say that you want to change that a bit. You want to have it closer. So let's go to, for example, 250. I'm going to enter. As you can see, the camera boom is now closer. And now I can compile, save, go to my scene, get some place like around here, and now play. Now you can see that your character is closer to the camera. If you want to appreciate more details about your character, this is the way to do it. Now let's go back, and here is. This is your beautiful character, new character for your game. And now you can start showing this to your friends.